Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice little Zippo that just arrived. Now this one came with the normal Zippo black box, and it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA, and the label says Helmut with cross, SWO probably means swords, cross swords. Probably the abbreviated version of crossed swords. There it is. Nothing special about the box or the inside insert. There's the helmet, crossed swords. It's on a brass case. And this one looks like it was made in I of 17. Really good stampings on this one. Pretty good sound. Steel insert. Lights up real nice. Now this is on a black matte finish over that brass body, and all the brass is a result of etching off that black finish. It's a pretty nice one. Let's do a drop test on this lit Zippo. Let's try it again. Stay lit. So yeah, passes the drop test nicely. That's the crossed swords Zippo, that Roman theme. And this Zippo is made in the USA and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.